Jeremy with King's Garage in the Astro van. I'm going to give it a start because I got a check engine light. Obviously, I'm not wearing my seatbelt either. So, I'm going to use a scanner, which I'm already using. Let's mass or volume airflow circuit. It just so happens I bought one. Here I am in the engine bay. I'm going to release one and two plugs. I guess I don't even need to release that one. This is your mass airflow sensor. It meters the air coming into the engine. So, a couple of screws, screw clamps. The other one's down here. You can see it right there. Right-handed, so forgive me. Make sure those are loose, plenty loose. We're going to pull this back. Well, let me decide to just go ahead and pull the air box. Try and do it without twisting that around and get the horn out of there. Here we are, looking straight at it. Loosen that one just a little bit more. There we go. And I hit my camera there. You can see this is the old mass airflow. I'm going to grab the other one. Already opened the package. And I pulled it out. There's my new one. It came with a test score. The old one. It's either relatively same plug. Let's pop these caps off. What is happening here? There it goes. I'm going to look at this. Smidge different. However, they have the same number of sensors on it. So see, this is actually much cleaner. This one's got 170,000 miles on it, so it's probably time. So, I'm gonna stick this sucker in there. Okay. Tighten him up. And my apologies, I am right-handed. Okay, it's tight. Let's go ahead and plug those in. I mean, that's 3/4 of installing new mass airflow sensor. So I was trying to put the air box on there, but I noticed this. Need to take that off. We're gonna add this, just like that. And put these caps back on this one. Clean it and throw it up on a shelf. Now, go back. Just kind of swing that horn in there. Okay. Now this is going to require 2 hands. So be right back. That's pretty much all that's needed to change a mass airflow sensor. Let's go back in. See, if the light goes off by itself, it might take some drive cycles, but I'm going to reset it if it doesn't. Back in, first start, let's see. We still got our check engine light. It might take a couple of drive cycles. What I'm going to do, though, is leave that on. I'm going to plug in. Oh. Scanner. We still got that code. I'm just going to go down. And it's clear. And now it's clear. I'll just use this little cheap code reader my sister got me. But, you know, things like a mass airflow sensor, they're expensive, but they're really easy to change yourself. So you can go to the auto parts store, have them scan the code, replace it yourself, and have them erase the code. The truth is, after a couple of drive cycles, it's going to go off anyway because you're no longer going to have that fault, which mine was like low voltage. So if you like the content, give us a like, subscribe, ring the bell, leave a comment. If you don't like it, do the same. If you hate what you hear, leave a comment. You know, like and subscribe if you hate it, so that you know, you can hate on my next video too. All right, thanks from King's Garage.